What is good with y'all, man? What's good, Schneids, man? We are back with another video yet again. This is BS9, man. Today I'm showing you guys how I made $7,177.20 today. So I'm not gonna lie, this was very crazy, bro. It's very insane, bro. I'm not gonna cap to you guys, bro. And the thing is, with this exact trade, guys, I got out early, bro. This is why, let me tell y'all something, bro. This is why I recommend you get out with at least dragging up instead of break even. Okay? Instead of break even, at least drag up. Please remember that, guys. A lot of people go to break even instead of dragging up. At this point, drag up. If you're that scared of the trade, and I was today, drag up, bro. Get your money, bro. If you're 75% of the way there, just get it. Yes, I missed out on about $3,000 today, by the way, guys. A minimum of $3,000. So let me show y'all the trade, guys, and let's do it. I'm going to show y'all how I did it right now, guys. So as y'all can see, guys, let's show the proof, guys. We on the live account, everything like that. We on, we got a good amount of money in this live account. We've been spending a good amount, guys, withdrawing and everything like that. And yeah, guys, this is my account. It's my account summary. $7,177 made today and 20 cents. Y'all can't forget the cents. Now let's go ahead into the trade, guys, okay? Now, let's go ahead into the trade right now, you guys. All right, we are in the trade, guys. It's a lot of things that happen, guys, and this is very early in the morning, right? And we entered at about 6:20 or so, guys, for this trade. So I was looking out for this trade. 6 p.m. open was very crazy, very bullish in a way. You know what I'm saying? With what has been created. Yes, it's been rejected, but even the bears haven't just continuated, right? So since I didn't see any continuation, I just didn't really believe in the sell, and I was already looking at the market and everything like that. It's just too much, easy support, easy access, for the buys to actually enter and bring the market up a good amount. So, and yes, guys, later on it did drop a lot. But the thing is, before it dropped, we had to catch this buy because we're only looking for the session trade. We're not looking for 500 points. Like I always tell you guys, don't look for 500 points. Don't look for more than 100 points. You don't need it. You don't even need to look for 100, bro. You don't need it, bro. You don't need it. Trust me, bro. When you in that trade for that long, unless you're in with super low risk, there's no point. Just remember that. Let's continue it though, guys. I've seen a lot of buy power guys, man. You know what I'm saying and everything like that. Look at this candle, bro. Just look at the wick. Like, it's very hard to see, but look at the wick, guys. It went all the way up here by this area. It's just you already have an interest, guys. You already have an area of interest by this area. So I'm already understanding that, there is an interesting kind of, the market is looking and sighing for this kind of position, right, guys? So I'm looking at that. I'm not gonna lie, entered immediately, right, at 620, everything like that. Seen an easy trade, seen an easy access, guys. And yes, I was kind of halfway through, entered it. And the problem with this right here, with this trade, guys, where I always recommend with you guys actually watch your trades because anything can happen, guys. And also, I'll tell you the reason why I don't recommend break even, right? But look, guys, it went here, hit this position, guys. I was looking for all the way up here, right? So money wise, I was looking for about $10,900 or so, and I only made 7,177. Okay. Now, what happened by this area is just a lot of resistance just started forming, guys. So I'm like, damn, is this area of interest getting denied? And if it gets denied, then I'm gonna have to go ahead and get out early to either go for rejection trade or just get off for the day. And most of the time at these positions, I just get off for the day because I don't recommend you stay in a trade for infinite time. You get what I'm saying, guys? I don't recommend it. Okay, so that's that. And guys, yeah, what happened was we entered the trade and everything like that. Came up by this area, started rejecting, kept on coming back up. And I should have seen with this area, with this candle right here, that it has a lot of action, a lot of bullish action, a lot of, push up. You know what I'm saying? To go ahead and combat all of these sells right here by this area. And I knew that this was a liquidity grab to actually go ahead and liquidate some people real quickly that are actually dragging up and to take them out. But guys, you'll be like, why didn't you go to break even, BS9? Because if I went to break even, it would have never came to my break even section and I could have hit my take profit. The reason why I didn't go to break even with this trade, you guys, is because most of the time when someone goes to break even, you're just untrusting your trade. And if I was untrusting my trade that much, there's no point, guys. You know what I'm saying? There's no point of trading if I don't trust that much. If I have no trust at all in a trade, there's no point of going for that trade. This is why I don't recommend to go break even. I just, at that point, take a profit here, bro. Take a 1-to-1, or something a little bit above that. Don't take a break even trade because you're not taking no money. At the end of the day, The people with more money are people that don't go break even. You get what I'm saying, guys? So you guys have to understand it like that. And yes, there are trades and there are traders that can do break even. Trust me, guys. I know that I was doing break even. So I understand that yes, you can do break even at times. But I just don't recommend it, you guys. I don't recommend you go break even because every time you do that, there's always some kind of bullcrap that will happen, guys. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, yeah, I mean, this is the trade that we entered. Everything was working out. Like I told y'all, there was a lot of unfair values. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of values to go against. You know what I'm saying? And by this area, I understood that market wanted to push the value all the way up. And everyone was agreeing compared to the sells and the buys. They were all agreeing, guys, with this kind of situation. And that's why, as you can see, it went all the way back up here. The reason why it went all the way up here, guys, and continued breaking through after these highs were created and after this position is because there's no real liquidation, guys. You have to catch liquidation. You have to make some money. So they had to make money by coming up here by this area, guys. So this area is a money area. It's a very high value area. And as you can see, that's why it started dropping a lot. Right after it came to this area, it came right back and then continued dropping, guys, because it's a high value area. So we are looking at the market and looking to attack these high value areas, to attack these, positions without really risking too much. As you can see in this trade, we haven't risked the most amount of money, bro. We used 10 minis. We did use 10 minis, you guys, which is a good amount, but it's just a regular amount of risk we use. Sometimes 8, sometimes it differs. Guys, I was looking for $10,950, literally, exactly, guys. And I was risking $3,150. So it's about a 1 to 3 point something. That's literally what I was risking, bro. Very simple, very easy to understand. I wasn't going for anything crazy, guys. I wasn't trying to catch a moon trade. I wasn't even trying to catch the high value area trade. I was just trying to catch half of it. What I usually do, guys, is catch a good amount of the trade. I don't want to catch all the way to the position that I'm going for, you guys. I'm just trying to catch the position I'm going for. You get what I'm saying, guys? I'm not trying to catch a position all the way up there that I know it can go to, because the reason why I don't do that is because anything can happen, guys, in a trade. And when you don't drag up or etc., you're going to lose. That's why I dragged up right here. I just seen it was too risky. I didn't see this candle form yet, guys. That's why also, I dragged up. Same with this candle. This candle was just forming and it clicked it and it dropped. Like when it was, I think it went up a little bit, then it dropped all the way. And I'm like, damn, I got to get out. So I dragged up. It took one of my contracts out. I had 9 contracts left. And then it just took me out fully right here, guys. So at the end of the day, I'm really saying this and showing you guys this to tell you guys that you can win in a trade. You don't have to go for the big highs, bro. And that's what I didn't do. I didn't go for this high. And I didn't go for these highs. I knew it was going to pass through this high. I just didn't want to go for it, even though it was a high value area, because I don't need it. You see what I'm trying to say, guys? You don't need to get that much money, guys. You don't need it. Trust me, you don't need it, because when you think about needing that much, you're going to always lose. And then you're going to go to break even. And when you go to break even, later on, it's going to stop you out before it starts moving and dropping or going the opposite direction, or even just coming right back up, stops you out and come right back up. That's what always happens to people. That's why I don't do the break-even trades, guys. I just don't do it. You ready for the risk, guys? You have the risk, right? You have the reward, right? So go for the risk. Go for the reward. If it hits your risk, you're out. If it hits your reward, you're in. And, I really recommend this, guys. Sometimes on funded accounts, I don't be caring sometimes. I get in one extra time. I don't recommend that myself as well. And I don't need to get in again. You don't need a FOMO, guys. You don't need it. Even if it's a good trade, you don't need to do it. Just get out for the day, because at the end of the day, this is how you win. Get out for the day so you can win. You know what I'm saying? We're starting the week off pretty strong. It was pretty crazy in the S9 plays today. I'm not going to lie. Didn't do too well. And then later on did super good. So it's very peculiar and very funny how it went, But we're just going crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? We're going crazy every day. This is a very good day, guys. This was for yesterday, for today's Tokyo session. Or yesterday's Tokyo session for today. That's why I got off for the whole day on my live account. I didn't trade in the morning for my live account. I just got off of it because I already made my money. When you make your money, you got to leave. Stay S9, you guys, though. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I'm going to make more videos, bro. And I'm going to continue locking in. And I'm going to continue showing y'all some sauce, showing y'all some understanding. I showed y'all we really went crazy on the live account. You know what I'm saying, you guys? And I'm happy about it. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm happy. Because when your trades pay off, is very, very satisfying. You get very excited. But at the same time, I want to recommend to you guys to help you guys out by saying this, but don't let your trade define you. You define your trade, bro. Don't let your trade control you. You control your trade. Please remember that, you guys. You own the trade. The trade doesn't own you. So remember that, you guys. Don't let the trade just control you. You control it. That doesn't mean attack the trade and go for an opposite trade of the trade of where the trend is going or something like that. It just means go with the flow, yeah. But at the same time, when you enter, have confidence and have the understanding that you're going to win, because that's how you win, bro. Trust me, you're going to win. It really is like that a lot of times. And when you don't win, you still won because you just lost. You just lost money. But at the end of the day, the trade is the trade, right? And you're going to continue going the next day, the next time, next position. Continue going, guys. Continue liking in. Stay S9. BS9 here, man. Signing out, man. Lock in, bro. Lock in. Use code S9, 40% off, my guys. But other than that, I'm showing y'all the trades, man. Peace out.